Okay, first we'll factor the quadratic here. We're looking for a minus times a minus to get a plus on the end and yet have negatives in the middle. We're looking for two numbers whose product is 22 and whose sum is 13, like 11 and 2. So now let's make three number lines. The first of these number lines represents x minus 11. The second of these number lines represents x minus 2. And the third represents the product of the two. We're wondering, where is this positive? So when x equals 11 and when x equals 2, we've got these 2 points. So this is 2, this is 11. X minus 2 is equal to 0 when x equals 2, and x minus 11 is equal to 0 when x equals 11. When x is larger than 11, x minus 11 is positive. When x is less than 11, x minus 11 is negative. When x is larger than 2, x minus 2 is positive. When x is less than 2, x minus 2 is negative. So now for the product, a negative times a negative is a positive. Anything times 0 is 0. Negative times a positive is a negative. 0 times anything is 0. And a positive times a positive is a positive. On this line we see where the product is positive, where it's negative, and where it's 0. So graphing where it's positive, we're bigger than or equal to 0 on the number line. To begin with, it's to the left of 2, it's positive. So everything to the left of 2 everything to the right of 11 is positive here. The product is positive. And this also includes the 2 points where it equals 0. So that's here at this end point and this end point. So there we have the graph of the solution set to this quadratic inequality. Putting this in interval notation, remember there's negative infinity at the end of the line to the left and positive infinity to the right. So in interval notation, this is negative infinity up to 2, union with the interval from 11 to infinity. And this time we're including the end points of both. From 11, including 11, up to infinity, not including infinity. Finally, in set builder notation, this can be expressed as the set of all real numbers x such that x is less than or equal to negative 2, or x is bigger than or equal to positive 11 here, not negative 2. So these are the three of the ways that we can express the solution set to this quadratic inequality.